At EPRI, we've been engaging utility CPOs and supply chain professionals. The number one issue for the industry today is time in the supply chain. In this specific project with SRP, we demonstrated a new manufacturing technology, wire arc directed energy deposition, or DED. In this project, we showed that a convergent manufacturing approach could not only alleviate supply chain concerns around time, but also cost.
We discussed opportunities within our company of where we could do this, and one of the items that really jumped up was a wicket gate for our hydropower units. Traditionally, those have been cast. You typically order them as sets when you're replacing them. You have to repair them periodically. But if you have a major failure on one, it can be quite expensive and quite a long downtime just to get that single part in.
In the energy industry, a lot of the major components, there's lead times of 3 to 5 years. These new processes are going to try to supplement traditional castings and give the energy industry another path to meet the energy demand that we're starting to see now.
This project directly addresses supply chain challenges with a legacy casting that was going to take over 12 months. In the end, it took over 30 months for the utility to source the casting. In this work, we reduced that timeline to about 6 weeks. Looking forward to the big picture of supply chain, I believe that standardization is going to be critical for us as an industry to move forward. Suppliers are faced with a myriad of specs and standards and requirements which are unique to each utility, each purchaser, each EPC contractor. Moving towards more standardized approaches for procurement, less materials, less variation will help unlock current supply chain capacity as we try to power forward, not just for fast replacement components, but also in potentially new construction.
After all of the testing done by EPRI as well as the internal SRP team, it met and exceeded a lot of the physical properties or requirements of those cast components, really giving us that confidence. It's in the unit, it's getting ready to start being utilized. The biggest implication is going to be schedule and reduced downtime. It's game-changing information. It's a game-changing process.
This part will be operating, and it's in a location where we can monitor the component over time through inspections to assess the long-term condition of an additively manufactured component in an operating power plant. By working with our members, we can de-risk new technologies and get them to market faster, ultimately transforming the industry.